Hello everyone, this is Maria Loves Art. I'm going to combine these two kits together. So what we have here is the one I wanted to start on, Leisure Time. This is the one I really want to use, but I needed a shelf, so I'm going to use the shelf in this one and maybe another item, but I think the books would be great. So I have already added some flooring to it. It's the one that comes with the kit. I'm going to go ahead and use this paper for the wall. It's a piece of cardstock that I had, so I'm going to go ahead and work with that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks so much. I'm using the board as a template. I don't know if you saw that both of them had a light fixture. The light fixtures don't actually work, so what I did was I had already bought some with the last kit that I had made. So I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole in the back wall and make sure we have a working light. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.